OctoStock's price surge and crypto treasury strategy explained. Welcome to Ghost Wallet. One sleepy Nasdaq ticker just went full firework, 1,300% before breakfast. No earnings beat, no merger, just a company deciding that dollars are out and iris scan tokens are in. OctoStock's Holdings is betting the farm on Worldcoin, and traders are scrambling. Stick around. By the end you'll know why the symbol flips to orbs, how close they are to dropping $270 million into WLD, and whether this is MicroStrategy 2.0 or a Roman candle with a short wick. Section 1. The what. Here's the deal, plain and simple. OctoStock printed 171 million new shares at $1.46 each and raised a clean $250 million. Bitmine, the crew that already stashes ETH on its books, chipped in another $20 million for 13.7 million shares. Grand total, $270 million, and every cent is ticketed for Worldcoin. On September 11th, the ticker changes to orbs, tipping its hat to the silver orb that scans eyeballs and mints, proof of human tokens. Float up, name cooler, stock vertical, everybody loves a glow up. Section 2. The who. They didn't just hire some Twitter anon with a laser eye gif. They bagged Dan Ives, Wedbush's tech strategist, CNBC regular, professional Apple bull, as chairman. When the guy who once called Tesla a generational story jumps into a micro-cap holding biometric coins, Wall Street pays attention. Discovery, Pantera, Brevin Howard, all names that normally ignore anything under $500 million, are already inked on the cap table. That mashup of trad street swagger and crypto native money is why the bid keeps magically reappearing every time it looks tired. Section 3. The why. So why Worldcoin instead of boring old Bitcoin? Narrative is everything. Bots are multiplying, AI slop is everywhere, and the orb gives you a ZK proof that you're flesh and blood. If the planet ever needs a crypto native ID, WLD is first in the queue. OctoStock is simply saying, we'll be the first public balance sheet riding that adoption wave. Picture MicroStrategy, but instead of hoarding BTC you're hoarding identity tokens. If the bet lands, every verified human is a customer and every token is waterfront property. Section 4. The how. You can't yeet $270 million onto Binance without catapulting the price. Expect quiet OTC blocks, dark pool prints, maybe a 2-3% discount to spot. Bitmine's side deal gets them a seat. They'll likely coach the accumulation and could even stake WLD if Ethereum vaults ever go live. Meanwhile, OctoStock still runs a fintech lending arm that's guiding to $100 million revenue by 2025. So one foot stays planted in cash flow reality while the other foot moon walks into crypto land. Section 5. The risks. Let's keep the fairy dust in check. WLD has ranged from 80 cents to $12 in a year. A 90% rug pull is still on the menu if regulators decide biometrics break GDPR, or if Sam Altman's AI roadshow hits a pothole. Secondary offerings usually murder stocks once adrenaline fades. OctoStock just quintupled its share count, so dilution isn't a myth. And remember, only 16 million humans have scanned the orb, 0.2% of the planet. Adoption isn't destiny, it's a prayer. Mid-roll CTA. Hit subscribe if you want my next take when a public company YOLOs its treasury into an altcoin. I drop these every week, and the bell keeps you ahead of the herd. Section 6. The trade setup. Here's how I'm stocking it. If WLD stays above $3 while OctoStock finishes the private placement, the market whispers, they'll buy coins cheap and the story sticks. Fall through $2.50 on big volume and the script flips, short swarm and the stock could give back the whole parabolic move. Options don't trade yet, so your only safety net is sizing small. Starter position only. Add if orb verified wallets start sprinting past 25 million. Simple plan, but most people will chase at $8 and puke at $2. Try not to be the crowd. Section 7. The bigger picture. This isn't just another firm buying crypto. It's the first public vehicle glued to human proof identity. If AI regulation forces Twitter, TikTok, or your bank to verify real people, WLD demand could erupt and ApeCo's treasury becomes the bouncer at the door. That's the bull case in one breath. The bear case? Governments nuke biometric data, exchanges delist the coin, and you're left owning a small fintech with a quirky ticker. Both futures fit inside today's price. Size your bet accordingly. Subscribe and share for the next episode. Bottom line, ApeCo is trading dollars for Iris tokens. The share count just exploded, and Dan Ives is steering. If Worldcoin becomes the de facto passport for the AI era, orbs could still look cheap after a 10x run. If regulators yank the plug, it becomes a case study you'll reference for years. Visionary leap or reckless moonshot, you make the call. Drop your take below, smash subscribe for more crypto treasury deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one.